Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, tires, front all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.